If your yard feels exposed, noisy, or just a little too open, the right privacy trellis can change everything. In this countdown, we're revealing 10 clever trellis ideas that add seclusion, style, and structure to your outdoor space. I'm Brad Smith, and with over 15 years of experience designing beautiful homes, I'll show you the smartest ways to turn a plain boundary into a standout feature. Let's count down the best privacy trellis ideas, starting with number 10. At number 10, the balcony privacy trellis with climbing roses is beautiful, but it's more of a slow-build solution. You'll get privacy as the roses mature, so it's best when you want softness and charm now, with better screening later. It turns a hard edge into a living, romantic boundary. Number 9 is the privacy trellis fence topper extension. It's a smart fix when your existing fence is just a little too low, because you add height without rebuilding everything. That makes it one of the most practical upgrades for boosting privacy fast, especially in smaller yards where every inch counts. The freestanding backyard privacy trellis divider lands at number 8 because it gives you flexibility, not permanence. You can use it to split a patio, hide a utility area, or create a cozy lounge zone. It's great for shaping how a yard functions, which is just as important as blocking views. At number 7, the curved cedar privacy trellis arch earns its spot for adding privacy with movement. Straight lines can feel rigid, but a curve softens the transition between spaces and makes the whole yard feel more designed. It's a subtle way to guide the eye while still screening views. The tall bamboo privacy trellis screen comes in at number 6 because it delivers fast visual coverage with a lighter, more relaxed feel. Bamboo works beautifully when you want privacy that doesn't look heavy or formal. It's especially effective in tropical, coastal, or Zen-inspired spaces where texture matters. Number 5 is the privacy trellis with planter box, and I love it because it solves two problems at once. You get screening plus built-in greenery, which makes the trellis feel grounded and intentional. That added planting weight can also make a small patio feel more complete and less exposed. At number 4, the black metal modern privacy trellis stands out for its clean lines and strong contrast. Metal gives you a sleek look that feels architectural, and the dark finish helps plants or surrounding greenery pop. It's a great choice when you want privacy without losing a modern edge. The wooden lattice privacy trellis screen takes number 3 because it's the classic all-rounder. Lattice gives you partial visibility, which is perfect when you want airflow, light, and a softer boundary instead of a solid wall. It's one of the easiest ways to make a space feel private without feeling closed in. Number 2 is the climbing vine privacy trellis panel because it turns privacy into a living feature. The panel itself does the structure, but the vines do the real magic by adding softness, shade, and seasonal change. It's a design move that feels fuller and more natural than a bare screen ever could. And number 1 is the cedar slat privacy trellis wall. It ranks first because it delivers the strongest mix of privacy, warmth, and design impact. Cedar naturally feels inviting, and the slat pattern gives you screening without making the space feel boxed in. It's the best all-around upgrade for transforming an exposed area into a polished retreat. Those are our top privacy trellis ideas, and the best designs all do the same thing. They create comfort, add character, and make outdoor spaces feel finished. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more design inspiration, and visit OmniHomeIdeas.com for more ideas and resources from Brad Smith and the Omni Home Ideas team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.